The benefits of having a virtual assistant. Let's just call it what it is. You are hiring an overseas employee, okay? In this particular model, we call them virtual assistants, but technically they're overseas employees. And really take this time to understand this. Don't take this role lightly. Be very, very proud of where you're at right now, because you have the opportunity to help and give someone else another opportunity to generate income for them and for their families. I mean, really think about this. This is huge. You're going to give someone the ability to work for you, help your business out, and in return, you're going to be paying them a source of income for them. And for some of these employees that you're hiring, this could be a lifesaver for them. You know, this could be food on the table for their family. This could be books for them to read and further their education in college. This could be literally everything. And I've had my first hand of experience with my employees, and it gives me a really warm, heartfelt feeling to know that I'm able to help these employees and their families. So real quick, the benefits. The first is, obviously I already went over it in the last lecture, and that is the international currency arbitrage. Okay, so I'm not going to go into the detail about that. The second benefit is literally I can vouch for these overseas employees from firsthand experience working with probably over a dozen now, is these will probably be the dang hardest working employees you will ever have, literally. And if you come at the expectation of that, then you're gonna get just that, you know? So don't come at this, oh, I'm gonna get some lazy kid that's not going to do anything. No, these literally are the hardest working employees. And I'll share with you a quick story of these three sisters that I hired in the Philippines. And oh my gosh, they've been working with me for probably about a year now. And when they first started working with me, I noticed that they were working diligently nonstop, 8, 10, 12-hour days, 7 days a week. This goes on for 2 or 3 weeks, and I'm going, wow, these guys do not take a day off. So I hit them up on Skype, and I'm like, hey, do you guys ever take time off? And they're like, no, we just want to work. And I said, my goodness, you guys need to take time off, because this is not right. I don't feel good about this. And I said, we are going to give you at least 1 day off. And they said, no, we do not want to take a day off. I said, why? They said, we'd rather just be working. I said, can't you just take Sunday off and go to church and hang out and watch TV and spend time with your families? They're like, no, we rather work. We don't want to sit at home and watch TV. We don't really go out and party. We just want to work and make money. And this is how we make a living, and this is how we provide for our families, So they work so hard. They really, really do. And also these three sisters, they're so amazing. Before they start work every single day, they read the Bible, they pray for me, they pray for the business. I mean, the quality of these kind of employees are just really, really high. And I've built such a good relationship with these sisters that I really appreciate them so much that when I visit the Philippines, I plan on visiting them and hanging out with them, bringing them gifts. I mean, they're just awesome, awesome employees. Literally probably some of the best employees that I've ever had. The third benefit I want to share is that if you do build this relationship with them, and I kind of touched up on it, is you'll build loyalty. These are very loyal employees. I had another employee of mine from Bangladesh, and another quick story was with him. It was during a time of Christmas or a holiday in his country, and I didn't know it was their Christmas or their holiday because I think it was like October or some regular month for us here in the US. And I told him, hey, I didn't know it was your holiday. Go ahead and take the day off. And he goes, are you sure, sir? And I said, yeah, just go ahead and take the day off. And then that same moment, I went on the website and paid him an extra $20 bonus, and I think half an hour later, he wrote back to me one of the most heartfelt messages I've ever read. And literally, he was crying and saying, sir, I am so grateful. I have never worked for anyone that has been this generous with me before. And I really do love working for you. And I hope that you have worked for me for a long time. And I want to work with you for the rest of my life. This is what he wrote, and I was just so blown away by just a simple gesture of giving him $20 bonus. And he wrote that, So being able to have these awesome, loyal employees just means everything. And I build this business now with a bigger vision of wanting to employ more employees like this and providing them an opportunity and making sure that the business continues to thrive and make money, so that way I can continue employing them. That's the vision that I have. So I kind of want you to have and carry that same vision. Is you're in it for the money and for your family, but when you hire someone else, it's a totally different game here, you know? So you have to think about the other person as well. So those are the benefits of having an overseas employee,